Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back in your maths class. So kindly bring your maths worksheet with yourself because we are going to do one more worksheet. Okay? Kindly take out your maths worksheet file along with your pencils. You have to write your name at the top. You have to open page number 9. Open page number 9. Beta, kindly open page number 9. Look at your screen. I have shared page number 9 with you. Kindly open this page number 9. Have you opened, beta? Now pick up your pencil. First of all, you have to write your name at the top, and then you have to recognize 2D shapes and write on 2D column. Beta, we had discussed 2D shape. I hope you all remembered. Okay, first of all, I want to check your memory. Have you understood clearly about the 2D shapes as well as the name of 2D shape? You have to recognize from this box. Look at your screen. From this box, you have to recognize the 2D shape and you have to write over here. Everyone look at your screen, please. You have to write 2D shapes over here. Clear? Give me thumbs up. Please give me thumbs up. Give me feedback. Have you cleared? Okay, thank you, Dua. Now you have to write on 2D shapes column. Do it fast. I'm watching to you, everyone. Please do it fast. And turn on your camera, Zayanuddin, Maryam, Sabika, Kissa, Hassan. Please turn on your camera, everyone. How many times I told you that you have to turn on your camera? Please turn on your camera, please. Yes, Aras, do it. No, Aras, you have to write on 2D shapes. Why you have written? Why you have used 3D shapes? I didn't explain yet. So you have to wait, Aras. Have you done your work? So raise the hand. Then we are moving towards our new topic. Zara Abbas, have you done your work? So show me. Everyone show me your worksheet. Yes, Inaya, well done. Look at Inaya. How is she doing her work? Look at Inaya, everyone. I am seeing her clearly. Maryam. Good, everyone. Good. Good job. Yes, Nurul Hadi, do you want to say something? Okay, wait. Nurul Hadi, speak.
Teacher, I have done.
Okay, only 2D column now?
It's 3D too.
No, I didn't allow you to use 3D columns right now. Yes, Jafar, wait. जी जाफर.
टीचर मेरा पूरा अंटार्कटिका आ गया था, मैंने गलती कर दी थी.
Okay, then you have understood now what to do?
Yes.
Okay, good, well done. Beta, on WhatsApp group, today I will share a picture of world map. You have to recognize the shape and as well as name of each continent. Then we will do something more about continent and ocean too. Okay. Now this is your math block. Just pay attention on maths. Yes, Dua. Wait. Say Dua.
Miss, I have done.
Okay. Good job, Dua. Zara, please show me your working right now. Zara, beta. Okay, good job, Sarah. Yes, Kisa.
Miss, I have done my work.
One. Okay, okay. Good job, Kisa. Mariam, do you want to say something? Okay, bacho. Now this work you have done right now related to previous topic, that is 2D shape. Now we are moving towards our new topic, that is 3D shapes. Now look at your screen. I am sharing something with you, and please pay attention. Now, this is our new topic, that is 3D shapes. Okay. We had done 2D shapes in which uh, we discussed that 2D shapes are flat figure. Is it Dua? क्या हमने यही डिस्कस किया था दुआ? ओके, थैंक यू दुआ फॉर योर फीडबैक. हमने यही डिस्कस किया था. Measure in 2D shapes length and, can anyone tell me what we can measure in 2D shapes? Length. I say length. One. What about the second one? Can anyone tell me? We can measure length and, Aras, do you want to give me answer? We can measure length and width in 2D shapes, but in 3D shapes we can measure three things. Okay. Now I'm telling you what. This is three-dimensional figure in which we can measure width. Look at your screen, everyone. Length, height. Okay. In 3D shapes, we can measure width, length, height. Got it? But in 2D shapes, we can measure only length and width. Got it, bachcho? This is a single difference between 2D shapes and 3D shapes. In 2D shapes, we can measure width and length. But in 3D shapes, we can measure width, length, height. Got it? Give me feedback. Are you able to difference between 2D and 3D shapes? Okay, Dua, thank you for your feedback as well as Kanza. Now, look at, now I'm asking one by one from everyone. So raise the hand. First of all, I want to give the opportunity to Hunan. Hunan, please talk with me. I want to ask something with you. Hunan, Hunan, beta, talk to me.
Yes.
Yes, beta. Now, can you tell me, do you eat cornetto?
What?
Do you eat cornetto, beta? Beta, have you eaten cornetto?
Yes.
Yes. So, is there any shape of 3D in cornetto? Can you tell me? क्या कोई ऐसा शेप आपने कॉर्नेटो में देखा है जो 3D से रिलेट करता हो? हुनैन,
Yes.
which one?
Cone.
Dua, I didn't ask you, beta. I didn't ask from you. So you have to wait. Phone. So clapping for Hunan. Good job, beta. You have given me correct answer. So okay. And Hassan, Sabika. Sabika, beta, do you see football? Sabika,
मैं फोटो
I
3D
am
शेप होती
asking
है.
from you, Sabika, do you? Yes, I am asking to you, do you see football? Just give me yes or no.
Yes.
Yes, okay. What kind of shape? This is a flat circle.
Circle.
Ball is in a ball.
Yes.
Flat circle होती है Sabika. Flat. Are you sure, Sabika?
No.
Okay. Fine. Thank you, Sabika. Flat नहीं होती. So क्या होती है Sabika वो? Sabika, please tell me क्या होती है बेटा वो? Yes, square. क्या होती है बेटा? Okay. Now I want to talk with
सर्कल होती
Aras.
है 2D शेप और जो स्फीयर होते हैं वो
Aras. Tell me complex. Aras, I want to talk with you, beta. Aras, where are you? Okay, I want to talk with someone else. Kanza. Kanza, beta, talk with me.
Yes,
Kanza,
yes.
see the box of cornflakes.
No, miss, because I don't eat cornflakes.
Okay, so custard box.
Yes.
Yes. What kind of shape is this?
3D?
2D or 3D? 3D, good. So that means in our daily life, we can see everywhere 3D shapes. Isn't it? In 3D shapes, we can measure width, length, as well as height. Okay? Now, I am telling you some more example of 3D shapes. Look at your screen. Is it clear, beta? Okay. Everyone hear about the pyramid, which is situated in Egypt. What type of shape is this? बताइए इसमें कौन सा? Yes, Jafar. Wait. जी, Jafar.
Teacher, like triangle.
Triangle होता है। बिल्कुल सही जवाब है। कि हम पिरामिड देखते हैं तो वहां पर हमें क्या नजर आ रहा होता है? ट्रायंगल नजर आ रहा होता है। वेट इनाया, आई विल टॉक टू यू लेटर। यस, बिल्कुल सही कहा जाफर आपने कि वहां क्या होता है? ट्रायंगल होता है, लेकिन क्या वो फ्लैट ट्रायंगल होते हैं जाफर?
Yes, teacher.
Look at your, I have shared picture. Now look at the picture carefully and tell me, is it flat triangle? Yes or no?
Yes, yes.
Again, Jafar, look at the screen. Flat triangle, yes or no? Jafar,
No, teacher.
if the triangle is flat, that means it is 2D shape. But this pyramid is not flat, that means it is 3D shape. With the help of this diagram, we can measure three things. Number one is, Jafar, tell me, number one is,
And
yes, two,
number two is
beta, tell
height.
me number two.
Height.
Beta,
Height.
next one.
Teacher,
Height. Okay, Jafar, thank you so much, beta. Okay, Mariam, I want to talk with you, beta. Where are you? Mariam, you left the meeting. Okay, someone else. Zayan, I want to talk with you. Yes, Zayan.
Yes.
Yes. What is this, Zayan?
Cube.
क्यूब। बेटा वो तो लिखा हुआ है, लेकिन जो ऑब्जेक्ट मैंने आपके साथ शेयर करा है वो क्या है?
3D.
व्हाट?
3D.
3D है। ओके, इसकी जो बेस, जो इसका बेसिकली शेप है वो क्या, वो कौन सा है? स्क्वायर है, रेक्टेंगल है, विच वन?
Cube.
क्यूब। ओके, फाइन। Is this a flat shape? Yes or no?
No.
No. Okay, so that means this shape is
3D.
3D. Clapping Zayan, well done. बहुत अच्छे से आपने बताया मुझे. Good job. Look at your next one shape. Okay, who want to talk with me? Mariam. Mariam, speak. What is this? I know this is cuboid. Can you explain it more? Mariam, kindly speak, beta. Okay, Mariam is unable to speak. Aras, please speak. Beta, can you tell me what is it?
Yes, miss.
Can you explain it?
What? Cuboid.
Yeah.
It is a 3D version of rectangle.
Okay, that's great, Mariam. One more thing we have to explain. Look at this one. What is it, Mariam?
It's a cube. It's a 3D version of square.
Okay. What's the difference between cube and cuboid? Can you tell me? Mariam,
Me-
beta, give me answer. Mariam, I can't hear you. Please repeat again. Yes, I will talk to you. You have to wait. Mariam, speak. Can you tell me the difference between cube and cuboid? Yes or no? Then I will give opportunity to other student. Mariam, do it fast. Mariam, okay. Tua, I want to talk with you. You have to proceed. Mariam, okay? Dua, beta, can you tell me the difference between cube and cuboid?
Miss, I don't know how to explain it in English, but I'll try. Cuboid
Yeah, you can.
is kind of longer than a cube.
Okay. Do you want to say something more? It's a little difference. Mariam already explained, but Mariam didn't give me answer. So kindly try to do. मरियम मुझे पहले ही आंसर बता चुकी हैं. अगर आप लोग ट्राई करना चाहें तो प्लीज ट्राई इट. Can tell me the difference between cube and cuboid? Okay, Aras, please. I am giving you opportunity. Please tell me. After that, I will explain again each and everything. Just I want to polish you. I want to ask something from my student. I want to get the knowledge of my student. Okay, that's why I am asking to you. Aras, can you tell me the difference between cube and cuboid? Speak fast. We have only 6 minutes. Longer. If cuboid is longer than cube, so what's the difference between? This is not proper. Aras, kindly tell me. Who wants to give me proper answer? Raise the hand. Otherwise, I will say. Everyone, please turn on your camera. Why are you turning off again and again? This is your classroom, na? Please turn on your camera, everyone. Just kindly tell you the difference between cube and cuboid. There is only one difference between cube and cuboid. That is, in cube, face is square, but when we are talking about the cuboid, there is a space of rectangle. Okay, in cuboid, all sides, all corners are equal, but in cuboid, only opposite sides are equal. Please, anyone can speak. Are you hearing me? Zara, please tell me, are you hearing me properly? Zara. Students, why I'm not watching your screen? Kindly tell me. Okay, Nida Hussain is speaking me, is hearing me very carefully. Okay, Zara Abbas, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Now look at your screen again. Wait, beta, I am sharing screen. There is a network issue. Yes, everyone, please look at your screen again. Now, today we had discussed about the difference between 3D and 2D shape, and afterwards we had discussed some 3D shapes and relate with daily routine example. Okay. After that, we are moving towards sphere. Okay. That and the best example for this sphere is football. And this one you are seeing half orange. This means this is hemisphere. Okay. Because this is half, that's why we can say hemisphere. And if this orange is full, so we can say sphere. Okay. We had discussed cone as well. As only one thing remain, that is cylinder. We will discuss it by tomorrow. And listen to your teacher, Miss Ikra, very carefully. So you have to do your remaining work, remaining worksheet page number 9, and you have to recognize the 3D shapes, and you have to write all the names on 3D column as well. And after that, I am sharing a link on Inversity. So kindly watch this video. We will discuss it by tomorrow. Got it? Or inshallah, we will meet by tomorrow. If you don't understand anything, so not worry, I will clear each and everything. So it's 4 o'clock. This is your off time. Inshallah, we will meet on Wednesday. Got it? Now I'm going. Take care, everyone. Love you, and inshallah, we will meet on tomorrow. And please do your work and submit me on Inversity. Thank you so much for joining me. Allah Hafiz, everyone.